These things are pretty powerful, and the software to go along with it really helps us to do so much more than just take pretty pictures. One of the most exciting things that's happening for us in digital media is the use of drones within digital preservation. And the cool thing is preservation and virtual reality surprisingly go hand in hand. So what we're able to do is get the drones in the sky and do high-resolution scans of different locations. Now that's pretty fancy, and I can even throw out a fancier term, photogrammetry. Now earth sciences and all these other gray areas are using photogrammetry, but how we're using it is to be able to take these locations and create 3D images of it. So imagine taking those 3D images and then porting it to something like Unreal Engine, so the same software that you use in order to build these really great 3D video games. So Witcher 3, one of the best out there, you could definitely fly over, capture something in wherever you want, and then reproduce it in a 3D environment and play a video game out of it. Pretty sweet, huh? Don't worry, there's no National Park video game coming out anytime soon. Or is there? Just kidding, there's not. What these high-resolution scans do for us is that we're able to then get it into virtual reality. So let's say we have these beautiful structures built today and how we see them. Imagine they would disappear because of an earthquake tomorrow. Think of the Notre Dame in France and how the fire impacted that cathedral. If we digitized it and created a digital representation of it, that will live on forever. And so with digital preservation, that's what we do. We find tools that allow us to capture these really large structures in order to preserve it digitally for future generations.